watch Turning Red and it's Bree's first time in the cinema. So excited. Okay, ayan na. Turning Red. Okay. Wow. So it's a 2-hour movie. Excited na siya. Okay. So magkano yung ticket nun? Nasa 600 plus dalawa na kami. 300 plus, okay. Okay, bye. Here is our ticket. So, gotta go. Bye. Okay. Oh, bigo, di ba? Doon yung seat natin. Wala pa. We're in the middle, Bri. Here. Ang laki. Solo po namin yung sinehan. This is the big screen. Ooh. Come on, let's go up. No, meron pa. Here. So here's our seat. Yan. E8 and 9. Where do you wanna sit?
At 9 of course.
Okay, sit down na. Yeah. Wala pa kaming kasama eh. So we're gonna wait because I think they are going to start at exactly 4 p.m. Na? Yay! Okay.
Ay ngayon, sa pag-iwan sa sulok, hindi ka
It's too loud daw. Yeah.
This is a songwriter. He writes a song, which is played by musicians and sung by
We just finished watching Turning Red and it's such a good movie. Yay! We love it so much. Okay, time to go home. Yeah. Oh, there's a free snack. Thank you. Oh, there's a free popcorn. Thank you so much, Adam. Bye. Say bye.